My name is Jack Wallace, son of Chad and Cheryl Wallace. I went to Parkview Heights Elementary. I play guard, and I'm undecided about my future.
Hello, my name is Muldraw. My parents are Nikki and Tyler. I went to Golden Hills Elementary School. I'm a small forward, and I plan on going to college for basketball.
My name is Andrew Peterson. My parents' names are John and Lisa Peterson. I went to Bell Elementary. I'm a small forward, and I plan on going to UNL to study business.
My name is Devin Jones. My parents are Lori and Donald Jones. I went to Rumsey Station. I'm a guard, and I plan to play football in college.
I'm Aiden Miller. My parents are Heather and Trevor Miller. I went to Bell Elementary. I play forward, and I plan on attending college after high school.
I'm Taylor Malk. My parents are Shay and David Malk. I went to Patriot Elementary. I'm a shooting guard, and my plans after high school is I'm going to University of Nebraska-Lincoln to major in elementary education.
My name is Claire Olery. My parents' names are Mary and Dave Olery. I went to St. Gerald Catholic Elementary School. I'm a guard, and after high school, I'm planning on going into nursing, but my college is undecided.
Hi, my name is Aiden Belfiore. My parents are April and Anthony Belfiore. I went to Parkview Heights Elementary School. Been bowling on the high school team for 3 years now, and I'm still undecided what I want to do after high school.
My name is Kira Beneke. I'm the son of Lisa and Matt Beneke. I went to Walnut Creek Elementary. This is my first year on the bowling team, and my plans after high school are undecided.
Hello, my name is Damon Luderman. My parents are Damon Luderman and Crystal Kressel. I went to Carriage Hill Elementary. This is my first year bowling. After high school, I plan on going into a job in the IT field.
Hi, my name is Jace Mastra. My parents are Don Ayala and Randy Mastra. And my elementary school I went to is Walnut Creek. And this is my third year bowling on the high school team. And my post-year high school plans are moving down to Florida to hopefully join a bowling team or major in computer sciences.
My name is Max Matris. My parents' name are Danielle and Jared Matris. I've been on the bowling team for 2 years. I went to Carriage Hill Elementary School, and I plan to attend MIT and study mathematics next year.
My name is Melody Rose Param. My parents' names are Guy and Richie Param. I went to Anderson Grove Elementary School. I've been on the bowling team for a year. And my post-high school plan is that I'm going to UNL to become an elementary education teacher.
I'm Dayton Weiss. My parents are Stephanie Weiss and Chris Weiss. I went to Trumbull Park Elementary School. I've been bowling on this team for 3 years. And my post-high school plans are to attend Iowa Western and become an electrician and bowl for the school.
My name is Carly Aikencade. My parents are Stuart and Heather Aikencade. I attended elementary school in Maryland. I was on the team for 4 years, and after high school, I plan to either attend the Oklahoma State University or the University at Nebraska-Lincoln to study pre-optometry.
My name is Ella Borden. My parents are Tracy and Michael Borden. I went to Walnut Creek Elementary School, and I've been on the team for 4 years. After high school, I plan to go to the University of Nebraska at Lincoln and study pre-med.
My name is Kayla Gravlin. My parents are Sean and Heather Gravlin. I went to Prairie Queen Elementary. I have been a part of cheer for 3 years, and I plan on attending the University of Kansas to get a major in biology and follow the pre-med track.
Hi, my name is Lexi Ladd. My parents are JR and Susie Ladd, and I went to Walnut Creek Elementary School. I've been on the team for 3 years, and I'm going to the University of Nebraska at Lincoln on the pre-med track.
My name is Annabelle Livingston. My parents' names are Tara Livingston and Mike Livingston. I went to Bell Elementary. I've been on the Starlight team for all 4 years. After high school, I plan to hang out with my family more and go to the young adult program for 3 years.
My name is Reese Pays. My parents are Jeff and Brenda Pays. I attended Bell Elementary. I've been on the team for 4 years, and my future plans are to attend University of Nebraska at Lincoln and major in biology.
My name is Emma Petridis. I'm the daughter of William and Eva Petridis. I went to Walnut Creek Elementary School, and I've been on the squad for 3 years. And after high school, I plan to attend the University of Nebraska at Lincoln.
My name is Vanessa Stevenson. My parents are Doug and Vicki Stevenson. I went to Prairie Queen Elementary School, and I've been on the squad for 4 years. My future plans are attending the University of Nebraska Lincoln and studying pre-med. My name is Tatum Trudell. My parents are Tiffany and Robert Trudell. I attended Walnut Creek Elementary School, and I've been on the team for 4 years. My plans after high school is to attend Northwest Missouri State University and get a bachelor's degree in pre-radiation science.
My name is Maya Zek. My parents are Jeremiah and Tiffany Zek. I went to Prairie Queen Elementary School. I've been on squad for 3 years, and my plans after high school are going to the University of Kansas to major in biology on a pre-med track.
Hi, my name is Tegan Hemer. My parents are Jesse and Ryan Hemer. I attended Walnut Creek Elementary School. I've been on the team for 4 years, and I plan to attend UNL and major in biology.
Hi, my name is Jalen Stroh-Snyder. My parents are Amy and Jeremiah Stroh-Snyder. I went to Walnut Creek Elementary School, and this is my 2nd year on the team, and I will be going to a trade school after high school.
Hi, my name is Zoe Leggett. I'm the daughter of Lee and Joe Leggett. I went to Bell Elementary. I've been on the dance team for 4 years, and my plans after high school are to go to UNL and major in mass communications.
Hi, my name is Aiden. My parents are Bob and Jennifer Brackenoff. I went to Patriot Elementary. I'll be wrestling 132 this year. And after high school, I'll be attending UNO.
My name is Cannon O'Connor. My parents are James and Tiffany O'Connor. I went to Carrichell Elementary. I weigh 195, and I'll either be going to college or work after high school.
My name is Trace Marco. My parents are Keith and Tiffany Marco. I went to Trumbull Park Elementary. I weigh 182 pounds, and my plans after high school are to go play college football and study construction management.
Hi, my name is Cam Ralston. My parents are Angie and Mike Ralston. I went to Patriot Elementary. I weigh 160 pounds, and my plan is to go to Nebraska Lincoln next year.
Hi, I'm Mackenzie. My parents are Amanda and Joe. I went to elementary school in California. I'm in the weight class 140, and after high school, I want to join the Air Force.